A smartphone safe is a storage box designed to hold and secure students' phone during the learning process. The purpose of this safe is to provide an organized and controlled place for cell phones, reduce potential distraction from cell phone use in class, and support a more focused and disciplined learning environment. Here are the steps to create a smartphone safe. Tools and materials. The tools used are pencil, marker, ruler, measurement tape, grinder, saw, sandpaper, hammer, sandpaper grinder, brush, screwdriver, mats. The materials used are wood, plywood, nails, paint, varnish, gasoline, electric socket, cable, plug, hanger. Steps. Before that, it is important to use personal protective equipment such as mask, gloves, work bags, safety glass, shoes. The first step is to measure the wooden plates and plywood according to the dimensions, namely 60 cm height, 35 cm width, and 22 cm long, using a marker, roller, and meter. Then, cut the wood into several main parts such as the base, top, and 4 side parts using a saw or grinder. After that, cut the plywood according to the size of the back of the safe that has been determined. Then, cut the wooden plates that will be made for the door according to the specified dimensions. Once all the pieces are cut, smooth the surface using a sanding grinder to remove any splinters and ensure all edges are flat and secure to the touch. After cutting the plywood and plates, coat them with a base coat of varnish to seal the wood pores. Then, dry them in the shade for about 2 up to 4 hours. Now it's time to assemble the safe, starting with the main frame. Connect the sides to the wooden base using a hammer and nails, ensuring every corner is right angled so the safe can stand upright. The next step is to install an internal partitions. Install the prepared pieces of the wood into the safe according to the design to create a separate space for the cell phone. Then, install the plywood pieces on the back of the frame and nail them neatly. Finally, install the door and simple locking mechanism. Attach hinges to one side of the shelf and the wooden door. Once that was done, we add a charging port underneath. The first step was to determine the position and measure. We chose a suitable location on the bottom of the safe. We measured the dimensions of the Ricke's outlet, then marked the area where we would drill holes in wood using a marker. Next, in the hole area that has been marked, make sure the hole size is appropriate and precise. Before installing, ensure the power cord is securely and properly connected, connecting it to the outlet on one side and the plug on the other. Then, install the outlet, fitting it snugly into the hole you made. To secure it securely, secure it in place using screws on the right and left sides of the outlet. Finally, tidy up the cables that hang down at the back of the safe, and we make sure the plug is easy to reach when connecting to the main power source. In the final finishing stage, start by cleaning every nook and cranny using a dry cloth. Then, paint the entire safe. Once it's dry, wait for the paint to dry for 4 up to 8 hours so that the paint is completely dry and not sticky. Now, our custom-made wooden cell phone shelf is complete. It's ready for its intended use.